Quick tip for Ableton right now. A lot of times I want to transfer a channel over to another project by saving it in places over here, but I find when I drag it over that I lose my automations for my return channels. So what I'm doing to overcome that here is I'm just going to throw some utilities on the channel and then copy the automation over to the gain of the utility, label them so I know which return it's going to go to, and then I have an easy way to remember when I go to my new channel or to my new project. So we'll just rename that. Now, if you go over here, you'll see copy those automations, paste it here. Now I'll go back to the mixer, copy my automation for this. So now, even though I'm going to lose these when I go to my new project, I'll just take these, copy the automations over to the return channels, and then sometimes what I'll do also is I'll go ahead and I'll copy the return channel, throw it in here, throw it in a group with Control G or squiggly G if you're on a Mac, and just go ahead and this is why I don't normally do that, because you can't name it, but I'm just going to remember that that's A and that this is B when I bring it into the other project. Thanks for listening, and follow and subscribe if you like the videos.